Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the best waffle and eggs. So what you're going to need some roast beef, some provolone cheese, honey butter, a big bowl, and a whisker. And you're going to need some heavy whipping cream. I would use milk instead, but if you like it more rich and more creamy, I would use heavy whipping cream. It makes it like a little bit better. And then some eggs, some syrup, some habanero hot sauce. I love my hot sauce, as you know. Ignore the delicious cookies behind there. And then some Chick-fil-A Polynesian sauce. It's upside down, so alright, ignore that part. And then you're going to need a pan and a spatula thingy. Then you're going to need some waffles. What you're going to do, you're going to need 3 eggs in total there. And then you're going, so I only had a little bit of this, so you just use, you only need like 7 pieces of this. 1 piece of this, a little bit of honey butter, and then I love a lot of hot sauce. Don't use as much hot sauce as I did in this video if you don't. Then you're going to put all of these ingredients all into this bowl. Alright, so what you're going to do, you're going to grab an egg and then you're going to put it in. There's only 1 egg in, now you're going to grab another one and then put another egg in there as well. Now that you have both eggs in there, now you're going to whisk them around. So now that you whisk them around a little bit, now you're going to put some heavy whipping cream. So you're not going to need too much, but you do need some. So like that much, just to give it like a thicker filling. And then you're going to whisk it around again. So now you're going to get some of this Polynesian sauce from Chick-fil-A. You're going to put it in there. Makes it taste pretty good. It's like ketchup, but like sweeter and better. So you don't need too much, just like, you know, just a little bit to make it better. So now you're going to get some of this habanero hot sauce and you're going to put some in it. I like it pretty spicy. I like my things pretty spicy, so I like just a little bit, so yeah. So now you're going to put some of the syrup in it. I like this one. This one's pretty good. So you're going to just get some in there. Make it pretty good. It might look a bit messy, but trust me, it's going to be really good at the end of it. Last but not least, you're going to need some of this honey butter. This honey butter is pretty good. So you just, you know, going to get your finger. I think I'm really getting enough. You're going to put some of it in there. Not like too much, but like it's pretty good. So, yeah. Now, you're going to whisk it around. You can lick that part off your finger. It's pretty good. Now you're just going to whisk it around. You're whisking it around for about a minute. You're going to see some chunks, and you're just going to want to keep on whisking it. And after this, you're going to add 1 last egg. And now that you added that last egg in, you just kind of mash it and then whisk it back in it, just so that it gets some extra egg flavor, and so that it gets it back like more to its original form. Now you're going to put these bad boys in there. Then you're going to turn it on and then toast it. You're going to put it in for 5 minutes, but you're going to need to take it out like 3.5 minutes. So just keep an eye on them. I'm going to spray this into it. Usually I would just do butter, but I'm a bit lazy. So this is just a fast way of doing it. You're going to pour it carefully into it. Just like that. And it's going to create like a delicious egg sauce. So now you're just going to let it cook, and you're going to, if you see like all the chunks in it, you're still going to want to whisk it around while it's being cooked. And it will be cooked like into it, so it would make it taste better. Just going to like kind of like just like move it around the edges, make sure it's being cooked. Just make sure to like move it around to make sure it like doesn't get stuck, and so it gets like more flavor as well. See the sauce, or it's not really a sauce, it's turning into like more of egg now. Now it's bubbling, and that is a very good sign, and it's like getting thicker, and that is a very good sign. And it's gonna steam a little, just don't worry about it, it's fine. Even more now, it has like developed more of an edge, and so once it's done, then you're going to like flip it and like turn it half over, and it's, trust me, it might look a bit gross, like does to me maybe, but it's gonna be very good. I put some meat. This is what is it? It's like roast beef or something. Yeah, it's pretty good. And so you put it on there, and now you put some of this provolone cheese. So now I put the provolone cheese on it, and now I'm going to turn it over. And it's going to be a little hard, so I'm not going to show it so you guys can't judge me on messing up. So I decided to improvise, and this is a bit of a small pan. Now I'm just going to like cut into it, and I'm just going to make it like more of a scrambled eggs kind of texture. So you're just going to want to mix it around. and you're going to want to turn it over afterwards, and it's going to be very good. It looks like this. It might look a bit burnt, but that's just the syrup. As you can see, it's making a lot of smoke. It might look a little gross, but trust me, it's going to be very good. Trust me. Now you have them cooked like this. Now you're going to get them over and put them on your waffles. Just like, as you can see, it's a little syrup, but like screw it, whatever. So now you're going to put it on that one as well. It's going to be very good. Trust me, trust me. So now that I ate all the waffles, I'm just kidding. I just moved it over because this plate is, you know, cleaner than that one. So like, I'm just like, you know, throw this plate in the trash can. Yeah, I totally did it. Trust me, trust me. And now I'm going to get some more syrup, and I'm going to pour it over. Since it's, you know, waffles after all. And then you're going to get more of this hot sauce, and you're going to put it on it. I forgot to open it, so give me just some. So now that I open it, it was very hard, trust me. I'm going to sprinkle some more on top of it. It's going to be very delicious. I love hot sauce, as you can tell. I put hot sauce and everything. So now you're ready to enjoy it. You might want, you know, some more syrup because I love syrup. Syrup is good. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Now you have a delicious waffle with eggs on it. You have some orange juice, and although, you know, it might not look good because like, it looks a little burnt, that's just the syrup how it cooks. So it's actually just like a delicious thing. I hope you guys enjoy. Have an amazing day. Peace out. Hey guys, this is the secret part of the video. If you guys are still here, then let me just tell you that yeah, that was disgusting. Yeah, worst food video ever. See you guys in the next one. This one was disgusting. Peace out.